So I'm going to take the middle square knot and take one of the middle cord and tie double hitch knot with the next one like this, and then tie next double hitch knot with the next square knot cords. So I'm going to do two here like this. There we go. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then again two from this side as well. Okay, now we have two square knot from two cords from this second square knot on both sides. Now what I'm going to do, take two cords from here, two from here, and make a square knot. And then another square knot. And then one more. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to leave two cords from here and again make another square knot. So keep these square knots a little loosen up. We don't make them so tight. And the next. And now I'm going to do the last one, which is this one. And this one is going to be the last one because this is a triangle. And then I'm going to do the same in here. Okay, so here you can see I have completed this pyramid thing on both sides. Now I'm going to add one more cord from here onto this one. Like this. And now you can see there are 4 cords. I'm going to take one more because we need 5. Okay, once this 5th one is done, we're going to leave the first one and make a square knot. Like this. And take the first cord and start making double hitch knot with all of these cords. Don't make it so tight, try to make it a little loosen up. Okay, now this is done. So we'll be doing the same exactly on this side here. So before I go on that side, I am going to create the same this pattern on here. So I'm gonna again take 4 of these cords and add on to here by using double hitch knot. Okay, now taking the 4 cords and which I've just added, and now making a square knot out of those. There we go. And now again I'm going to take this cord which was just ended here and then make exactly like this one. Okay, now tie this one onto here. Both sides, and now what I'm going to do is take middle 4 cords, these 4, and make a square knot, but I'm giving it this much gap, this much. Okay, and then take 2 from here, 2 from here, and create another square knot. And then 2 from here and another square knot. Four again and making the other square knot. And these 2. And now what I'm going to do is create these 2 patterns downwards. So again, on the first one we're going to need 5 of the cords first to complete the pattern. So here we have 4 and then 5 now. Okay, so here we go. And now we're leaving this one and making 4, taking 4 knot cords and making a square knot. There we go. And take the first cord and start tying double hitch knot up to here. Okay, now and again take 4 cords and make double hitch knot on this cord. last 4 cords and make a square knot just before this square knot, and then start tying double hitch knot on this. Okay, now I'm creating this pattern on this side as well. Now you can see the pattern is completed, and to join these two so that this pattern completes, we just tie a double hitch knot onto each other.